been a while. Well, this remodel is starting to come along, and all the pieces are finally coming together. Now, I want you to keep an open mind. I've kind of test the waters when I post pictures and videos to Instagram to see what the feedback's going to be once the videos go to YouTube. This video is about tiling your fireplace. Some people have never heard of it. They've never seen it. I have seen it everywhere. It's one of the most common things I see is tile around a fireplace. My rental house is 110, 112 years old, and it has the original tiled fireplace and mantle. So it is very common, and yes, you can. There's nothing special needed to adhere the tiles to drywall or to a wall. Now, this first clip you're watching here shows how different the tiles vary. The size of those tiles vary in and out, which adds a little bit of an element of difficulty, because the tiles that are too long, you got to make sure you use those on the sides or in areas that are going to be cut. Take a look at this tile. You see how those bumps in there makes this tile a heavy 1/16 thicker than the rest. Doesn't have any bumps on it. Let's check out this last row. 2 and about a quarter-ish, heavy on the ish. Okay. Oh, 2 1/4. So actually, we're how many sixteenths is that? 16th over a quarter and 16th over a quarter. So we are dead on. All 6 tiles will be cut the same thickness. Probably right around 2 1/8, I think. 2 1/8 inches. So we've got a cut on the bottom and a cut on the top that are the same width. We messed around with putting fulls on the top, fulls on the bottom. Pretty much our skinny strip is right there. Not ideal, but once it all gets grouted, it's getting white grout. No one's ever gonna pay attention to that little 1-inch strip there. What do you guys think? Did it come out good? I think it came out pretty good. What do you think of the design? What do you think of that giant gray wall? People are debating whether it's a bluish color, a greenish color, or I think it looks purple. What do you guys think? Is it a gray, purple, blue? leave a comment below.